What's up guys, Boogie the Trainer. I just got a quick video for you guys. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe, support your boy, like the video, share the video. As you can see, I had somebody asked on Instagram, how do you determine how much weight to start when you are new to weightlifting? Okay, we all know weightlifting is supposed to help you build muscle, build strength, and look good. If you got good muscles, if you got well shaped muscles, you are going to have a good physique. But most people struggle with how much weight should we start. You know, I often be in the gym and then you see somebody who's new to the gym, they want to load the weight and you see them struggling. They are literally struggling to lift the weight. That's not good. That's not healthy. It's gonna get you injured. You may tear your muscles, you may tear something, and it's just going, you can't lift the weight. So ego lifting is not good, especially for the beginners. All right, how do you determine how much weight? First of all, when you get to the gym, you shouldn't even be worried about how much weight. You should be worried about building the best form possible. Why focus on the form? Because it's going to give you the best foundation for lifting better and heavier weights as you grow and get stronger. Another thing, form prevents you from getting injured. If you've been into the gym before, people get injured. So if you mess up like your shoulder or your back, that's going to affect you in the long run, because lifting weights is not something you're going to do for a few months and then you fall off. As you lift weights, you get to enjoy it, and you will want to do it over time, especially when you start to see results. When you find yourself getting stronger, you find yourself building muscle, you want to keep doing this. This is not a one-time thing and then you stop. You will see, if you get that you start to want to lift weights all the time. I have clients who hate cardio and they want to just do more strength training, and that's good, but focus on your form in the beginning. If it means not lifting any weights until you get your form right, that's good. The weights are already in the gym, they're not going to go anywhere, so you can always lift more weights as you get stronger. But focus on your form, focus on how you lift everything. Find out how you're supposed to lift. Even if you don't get a trainer, at least you use YouTube, type in the best form for lifting, for working out, maybe your legs, your arms, shoulders, chest, back. Find out the best form, or find out the best way to stand and to hold the weight and to lift the weight the proper way, using the proper range of motion to avoid injuries. Guys, this is very, very serious. If you get injured, if you mess up your shoulders, if you mess up your legs, your knees, if you mess up your lower back, those are the main three body parts that really get, people really injure, and then it affects them how they lift for the rest of their lives. Okay, so focus on the form. The weight will come with time, but after you focus on the form and you get it right, now you can start loading. Even if it's 2 pounds, you lift that. If you see that you can do it 10 to 15 reps per set, or 3 to 4 sets, then as the weeks go on, you can increase between 2 pounds to 5 pounds. Okay, that is from 1 kg, from 500, from half a kilogram to 1 kilogram over time, every other week. And then every time you add more weight, try to lift that weight at least to 10 reps before you add on more weight. So don't be in a rush to lift higher weights. Okay, so it's not about how much you lift, it's how you lift. Let me repeat that. It's not about how much weight you lift, it's how you lift the weight. Okay, so don't be scared of or feel intimidated by people throwing around heavy weights and you see them jacking and they can't even do the weights the right way. It's about how you look and how you lift. The weight comes with time. You feel it. You'll be like, okay, I can do this weight 10 reps for 4 sets. Let me increase a little bit now. Can I try this? You try it, you go 6 reps. Now try to build those 6 reps and turn them into 8 to 10 reps over time. Once you get that well, then you can increase a little bit. So small increments, small changes. Don't be quick. Don't watch somebody else pushing around a heavy weight and you want to be like them. be the best version of yourself. Don't be intimidated. Focus on the form to make sure you avoid injuries. All right? Catch you guys next time. Subscribe, like the video, comment down below what you want me to talk about. Peace.